You may have not known about NUU Mobile, but rather the organization has been offering open cell phones in the US for a couple of years now. Its most up-to-date handset, the Open NUU G3, can be pre-requested for $199.99 before it dispatches stateside in February. Plan savvy, the NUU G3 acquires a great deal from Samsung's current top-of-the-line Galaxy telephones, offering a 5.7-inch double benjo, and a glass back. Curiously, the back of the handset has a double camera, 16MP plus 5MP, and a unique mark sensor masterminded vertically. We will most likely observe a comparable game plan on Samsung's up-and-coming Galaxy S9 Plus.